Google has added a brand new feature of Google Meet in Google Classroom. Google Meet will help teachers connect live with their students. This feature has made Google Classroom the one-stop shop for online teaching. Let me show you how to enable this feature. For that, I will get into one of my classes. I'm going to click the settings icon. We'll scroll down and here you can see we have the Google Meet. I'm going to generate a meeting link which is going to be visible to all my students. I'm going to save these settings. So this is where your meeting link has appeared. If you click this link, it will redirect you to your meeting. Where you can join and share the joining information with your students. A concern that many teachers would have over here is the misuse of this feature by your students. So let me address that for you. A student will be able to log on to the meeting only when the teacher is present on the meeting, making this a very secure feature. I hope you found this helpful. Please write your questions in the description box down below. Thank you.